What are we doing today, my love? We're making flatbread to eat with some veggies inside, right?
It's for my husband. He likes eating flatbread, so we can make a snack. So this is like a big batch. We're just gonna make it and then leave it in the fridge for assembling when needed. Flatbread, and we don't have a rolling pin, so we need to go find one while this baby is resting.
We are going to go and find a roller, right?
Yes. You can,
Say yes like this.
before we do that, the driver is talking right now. The driver is talking, and we have to drive the car and then go to the shop. We buy it, done.
So we're at SVS shopping center trying to go find the roller. Let's see how we go with it. Is that right? Baby. Yeah, look at my car. Baby's going. Someone's balloon and running right to balloon. What's that? It's a pram. Come, we go. Come. What? Oh no, we're looking for the rolling pin, right? Which one did you guys find? That's the one. It does the same job. Alright. I think we need a chopping board.
We don't use wooden plastic, we use wooden choppings.
That's the one with how much is that?
It's $24.
Hey, they have tofu here. Not on the budget list.
Not on the list.
It's not on the list.
Valentine, magic pack, that's it, done. No chicken.
Baby. Helen thinks that we are going over the list. She wants to go home and play on this game. Tyler needs mangoes.
Don't subscribe.
Hey, subscribe. Why you say don't subscribe? To get one rolling pin. That's okay. We're heading back to the car and we're gonna go home.
So we already got the pin. Now we're driving out. SVS.
It's busy on a weekend.
Yeah. People that live here know this is our shortcut in. Technically, this is the SVS only service entrance, but
Almost survived.
yeah, they don't mind us using it to drive it out because it's easier. So this is Chinsuras. No, not Chinsura. No, Queen's Cliff. Where is the sign? It's like the best street according to us. Like
Road condition wise.
sealed, and it has like pathways like on the side. It's parked in the middle of the road. And then like you have random like dogs. See, there's one in the middle of the road right up ahead. And then, like I said, see, some guy he just parks in the middle of the road.
They live here.
Yeah. No, I bet they have parking inside. Like there's
Maybe a
parking there.
visitor.
Anyway, so we have to look at the road. They even painted the sides like
Middle and side.
middle.
We got the rolling pin and we are back. The flower is resting. We should still let it rest or no?
We're gonna take it out and then roll it. Sectioning the doughs into quarters and then roll it out. Oh, this is one, but something that can fit. watching me do it, and then you'll do the next.
This little orange bun. Look at the rest.
Make sure your surface is powder and your hands are powdered with flour. Okay. You can now put that in. Hold the sides.
Can I do the other one, please?
Oh, it's rising unevenly. So I pop now. Should we pop it?
I think this is like supposed to rise like this.
Alright, we're done making the wraps to put the stuff inside to eat.
We can make so many, and there are 10 wraps. And they are rising when we are cooking them.
Oh, really?
Why are you sweating?
Just washed. Why are you sweating?
Because I ran a little bit, and this is 10.
Did you roll some? Which one is yours?
Yes.
The small one or the big one?
This one, this one, this one.
Oh,
Small
stop
one.
kissing. Okay, thank you. We're gonna make the filling now, and then we're gonna eat later. So I'm making the filling for the wraps that we made. It's gonna be nothing fancy. It's just sausages, probably onions, cut them, garlic, carrots, and capsicum. Yeah, that's it. Let's get to cutting. Yeah.
That's what?
Yeah, that's watch. That's how you spell it. What's that? That's fine. You can talk. You want to sing? You want to sing in the video? I cut and you sing. So who's the one singing the song? The frog or the mirror?
Dameri.
Tripod there. Gonna get all of the even cuts. Heaven, the Paw Patrol are here outside. But now it's gonna be in a wrapped up and devoured. I think that's all the onions. I half it so I can get I don't have to chop it in half again. Hop up to bring up the really big one. What's that hot dog look like? That's his face. Yeah, and then making. Let's do 10 cuts. I'm so fast. Oh, yo. Evan, do you like my cutting?
Yeah, that's so fast.
Yeah. Evan thinks I'm really cool.
Daddy,
Yes, 1 a.m. son.
Catches them.
Can you shut up? Camera is here. People are listening to you. I think this is not a knife to cut. It's just a knife. Tips, come and tell me your tips. I'm using a bread knife.
Okay, we're done with cutting this. Now we're moving on cutting the sausage.
That's sausage. If you know, you know.
This is sausage.
No, it's sausage.
In pidgin, we call it sausage.
Alright, it's a little sausages. I'm just gonna pause the video and fast forward to the end. So here's everything we're using. Sauces, soy sauce, sesame oil. I'm gonna show them when I eat them anyway. So everything's all cut up now. And we're gonna get started and cook. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. And garlic and onions to get sort of yellow. I hit the spices after. I don't know, that's how I do it. I'm not sure. Alright. Now we're using the wok. Now come watch me. Like a generous amount. Some basil leaves. Some parsley flakes. Turmeric. We put it in our own bottle too. Soy sauce. That's in there. And this is light because we added the dark one a bit earlier. So the light one goes in. The fish sauce enhances all the other sauces, so it goes in. That's there. I'm gonna wait till the end and then we're gonna add a bit of water and then some cornstarch too. Cornstarch. We're gonna wrap it one now. I'm just making one. Nothing fancy, guys. Plain and simple. Just track everything you made. You have no other filling. Close to him, just some cheese anyway. Wrap it like that.
I suppose doesn't sell cheese.
It does, but it's expensive. On the way. Filling. Let's see the inside. Oh, yo, sausage wrap, guys. Plain and simple. What do you think? Oh, Evan, baby, what do you think of the wrap?
100 out of 100.
Are you just hungry? Thank you. You like it?
Yeah.
Would you eat it for lunch?
Yes.
Mommy, lunch right there. That's it.
I did